I will try my new stamp. This one. It's SpongeBob from Mars today. We have the, and also I have the Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. I have how many colors and another SpongeBob. I still try to learn how to do it. Try to study. I'm realizing what comes first. What will I do with the what will I do first? So I have to wait lang. Kasi yung nagawa ko na kanina, ito yung nauna. Ni-stamp ko siya rito. Ito yung kinalabasan. Now, kulang pa siya. So I need to do another stamp. But I don't know the yung picture. So maybe this one is color brown, maybe. This is color brown. Kasi it's on the it's on the stamp already. So I just want to try. May maingay sa labas. Ang hirap magsalita, may maingay. May mga bata kasi sa labas, ayan. Nagdadaanan sila. May mga bata. So tatry ko to. Tatry ko siya, ayan. Maybe like this. So I just have to do it like this. Kailangan ano to? Kailangan tapat. Alright. Ang ganda. Na-amaze ako. Well. Yung isa hindi nagkulay. And then, next one is the black one maybe. Pero kailangan maayos yung pagkakalagay ko. How will I do this? Paano kaya? Hindi ko alam kung paano to. Maybe the black one. This one. It's black. It's kasi sinasabi niya dito what the color is, kung ano yung kulay na nandito, yun din yung ilalagay mo ditong stamp maybe. I just analyze. Hindi ko alam eh. So I'll just have to try it. Kung it will be, syempre it's my first time. Hindi ko pa alam. So I just try. Konti lang yung ilalagay kasi parang hindi siya masayang. Ganun eh, nagtipid ano. So tinipid ko lang. Tinitipid. Pero mas magandang madami. And then you have to cover para hindi siya, hindi ko nakulayan yung isa. Another one there. Ito. Okay. Good luck to me. Look. Yay. So I have to color. I have to stamp now like that. Yan. I-stamp ko siya dito. Yan. Ayan kasi siya. Oh, yan. So kailangan ko siyang i-perfectly. So maybe this is the foot. So hindi ko alam paano ba. Hindi ko siya maitama eh. Kasi andun yung yellow. So kung yun ang paa, maybe just like this. Look! Yay! SpongeBob! And the other one here. Yay! Ganda na kinalabasan. Maybe just like this. Pwede pa ng marami. Alright. Okay na to. Even it's black. Pwede na siya. Sayang eh. So, this one is okay. So, this is the... Ay! Nagarlaw ko. Ay! Nagkulay siya. Medyo na ano ko ng ano. Look! Oh! Tan! Oh, ang ganda. SpongeBob now. Did I do it right? And the other one is black na. Parang ano ko na lang to. It's a practice. Diba? Okay ba? So maybe, nalagyan ko ng, hawakan ko. Ang ganda, ang cute. Yee! Ang ganda. Oh, diba? Well, that's all. Thank you.